Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Trisha and you're watching Trisha's Lifestyle. So for today's video I'm gonna be doing a Nykaa haul. This is something which I am doing for the very first time in my channel, and yeah, I have a hell lot of things over here which I am going to show you in this haul. And also I have one thing from Big Bazaar and one from Flipkart as well. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's start. First thing which I want to show you is this foundation. It is Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. It's in the shade W320 warm caramel. Like, I have applied a little bit today as well, and I love this foundation. Applicator is like this. I used to use the Fit Me foundation. I feel this one is better than the Fit Me foundation. This one was for rupees 349. I guess I will mention the prices on the screen. Yeah, I love this one. Next thing I have got is this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. It's called Swiss Beauty Long Lasting Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera with Vitamin E. It's a 50 ml bottle and I got it for rupees 249. So I was going through YouTube and there one of the YouTubers showed this one and they said it works well. I haven't used it till now because I have received it recently, and it also smells so good. I have seen in reviews that this works and it is quite affordable as well, so you can definitely go for it. Okay, so the next thing I've got is two nail paints from Nykaa. This two. The blue one is in the shade Peppermint 960. It's a 9 ml bottle and it was for rupees 179, and I really love this one. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now and it looks so good. Next one is Masaba by Nykaa. This one was for rupees 159. It is in the shade called Pataka 282. Yeah, I love this one as well. Another thing which I got from Big Bazaar is this nail paint. This is from the brand called TS. It's nude. I got it from Big Bazaar. This brand is also available in Nykaa for sure. If I get the link, I will put it in the description box below. Otherwise, this one I got from Big Bazaar. It was for rupees 100. This one is the affordable Nykaa haul, right? So I have to show you lipsticks which are affordable as well. So the first one is this one. It is from the brand called Blue Heaven, and it is in the shade 01. Next one is also from Blue Heaven and this one is in the shade 07. And both of them were for rupees 105, like 105 each, and both of them smells so good. Okay, so moving on to the lipstick category, once again I have two lipsticks from Swiss Beauty. So these are called Swiss Beauty Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one is in the size 03. This is a nude shade and this is very creamy formula. The next one is in the shade 3. This one is also quite similar to the previous one, but I mean, see, if you can see it, I did a little mistake in choosing the colors. They are like quite similar and they are in this size. Both of them was for 200 and 200 rupees, 400 and 200. So lipsticks. Okay, so I've got a lot of things from Swiss Beauty. One of the affordable and good brands I've come across is this Swiss Beauty. It is a concealer. Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. Of course, this is a drugstore brand. Keeping in mind that this is quite good. So for 200 rupees you get a concealer which is this big. I guess this is not a bad deal, right? We go to the next item, that is this eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. This is called the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette 5. Okay, so it was for rupees 229. This comes in a packaging like this one. Currently it's out of stock in Nykaa, but I will still provide the links in the description box. This is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is a mini palette, of course. These are the eyeshadows over here. So there are like 1 2 3 4 5 matte shades and 4 shimmery shades, so that's a good balance. So that's gonna take a long time. I'm gonna do this swatches very fast. Okay, so the next item is again from Swiss Beauty. This one is this highlighter. It's the second time I'm buying this highlighter. This is Swiss Beauty baked blusher and highlighters in 01, and this one was priced for rupees 349. This highlighter is very affordable, and this is the only highlighter I use, and this works so good, so good. I mean, yeah, I love this one. I will totally recommend this one. This is so good. We have come almost to the end of the video. Okay, so the last item which I have to show you all is from Flipkart. Everybody must have seen the makeup brushes like this. It's called Makeup Brushes Salon Series with Soft Sponge. This is a 13 item set. Comes in a packaging like this one. Okay, so it was priced for rupees 149 plus 48 rupees delivery charges. It comes with a packet of brushes like this and a sponge like this one. Packet like this one. So let me show you the brushes first. The quality of the brushes are not good at all. Of course it won't be, but these are horrible, literally horrible, and smaller than my hand. To get a brush like this one as well. This one, then a spoolie which is so hard, like it will rip off your eyebrows. So don't buy things for cheap. The beauty sponge came in a packaging like this size of the beauty sponge. It is not that bad, not that soft, but it can do the work, I guess. Yeah, just don't buy it. The brushes I use at this moment are from Shein. Those are quite good, and this one is from Flipkart. Don't buy it at all. This was a total waste of money. I mean, thank God it was for rupees only 200. Like, okay, so with this, now we have come to the end of the video. This is my very first Nykaa haul in my channel. I hope you all liked it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is this one, _TRISHA______. And I post there regularly, and I will see you all in the next video. Till then, bye.